भद्राय
रामाय रामभद्राय
रामचन्द्राय वेधसे
रामचन्द्राय वेधसे
रघुनाथाय नाथाय
रघुनाथाय नाथाय
सीताया पतये नमः।
सीताय पतये नमः।
नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै
नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै
सीतायै नमो नमः।
सीतायै नमो नमः।
भगवते हनुमते नमः।
भगवते हनुमते नमः।
Very, very blissfully, in a manner as to make everybody who is listening to this beautiful narration blissful, Sri Shiva, Parameshwara Mahesha is now narrating this Srimad Ramayanam to Bhagavati Parvati. राम कथा सुंदर करतारी
राम कथा करतारी
संशय बिहग उडावनिहारी
संशय बिहग उडावनिहारी
राम कथा कलि बिटप कुठारी
राम कथा कलि बिटप कुठारी
सादर सुन गिरिजा गिरिराज कुमारी
सागर सुन गिरिराज कुमारी
राम कथा सुंदर करतारी. Kartari means the clap of a hand. Kartari is the clap of a hand. So Ram Katha is the clap of, like the clap of a hand, which immediately drives away the bird called as doubt. It drives away the bird called as doubt from our mind. Ram Katha Kali Bitab Kuthari. Bitab Kuthari means it's a Ram Katha Kali Bitab Kuthari. Kali is the tree, a very, very solid tree which keeps on having branches. A tree which is so solid and so powerful that it has got deep roots and it has got very, very huge branches and very difficult to uproot. But that tree also, that tree called as Kali Buddhi, the wicked Buddhi. Kali Buddhi is wicked Buddhi. Kali Buddhi is wrong attitude. That also can be cut by the axe called as Ramakatha. Ramakatha is an axe which can cut off this tree called as Kali Buddhi. Sadaru Sunu Giriraj Kumari, listen to me, O Giriraj Kumari, in a very, with all attention and respect you listen to this one. Ram Naam Gun Charit Suhaye
Ram Naam Gun Charit Suhaye
Janam Karam Aganit Shruti Gaye
Janam Karam Aganit Shruti Gaye
Jatha Anant Ram Bhagwana
Jatha Anant Ram Bhagwana
Tatha Katha Kirati Gunnana
Katha Katha Kirati Gunnana.
Ram ka naam, the name of Rama, the qualities of Rama, the life episodes of Rama are all beautiful. And Janama Karma Aganita Shruti Gaye, and also the birth and also the activities have been sung by Shruti. Sung by Shruti means by the Vedas themselves. Yatha Anant Rama Bhagavana, Sri Ram himself is infinite. Same way, his fame is also infinite. Tatha Katha Kirti Gunanana, even the Katha also, the narration also is full of fame. Tadapi Jatha Shrut Jasimati Mori
Tadapi Jatha Shrut Mori
Kahi Hum Dekhi Preeti Atitori
Kahi Hum Dekhi Preeti Atitori
Uma Prasna Tav Sahaj Suhai
Uma Prasna Tav Sahaj Suhai
Sukhad Sant Sammat Mohi Bhai
Sukhad Sant Sammat Mohi Bhai.
Although the glory and the beauty or what you call the Mahima, the wonderful power of Rama is infinite. Even then, I will tell you in whatever extent I know it. कहीं हूँ देख प्रीति अति तोरी, because of your very very lofty love towards Rama, lofty devotion towards Rama, I shall tell you that. Uma prashna tav sahaj suhai, your question is very very natural and very very beautiful. Sukhad sant sammat mohi bhai, it is giving bliss to everybody. It is also as per the opinion of great saints. Therefore, it is very very pleasant to me also. I will tell you definitely. एक बात नहीं मोहि सुहानी,
एक बात नहीं मोहि सुहानी,
जदपि मोह बस कहेहु भवानी,
जदपि मोह बस करे भवानी।
तुम जो कहा राम को आना,
तुम जो कहा राम को आना,
जेहि श्रुति गाव धरहि मुनि ध्याना। Only one thing I didn't like, only one part of your question I didn't like, that you are still questioning the same thing, whether this Rama is different from the Parabrahma Rama or is there any other Rama. Ek baat nahi mohi sohani, one I didn't like, jadapi moha bas kahe bhavani. Although you are saying that because of your delusion, wrong understanding, tum jo kaha Ram ko ana, what you said that there must be another Rama. Jehi Shruti Gav Dharahi Muni Dhyana, that which is sung by the Shrutis, by the Vedas, and that which, on which all the rishis meditate upon. You are saying that there is another Rama. Kahahi sunahi as adham nara, grase je moh pisacha, Pashandi Haripad Vimukha,
पाषंडी हरिपद विमुख,
Janahi Jhoot न साचा.
जानहि झूठ न साचा।
Well, it is definitely understandable that, like you are asking a question, if there is anybody who has come to a conclusion that this Rama is different and that Rama is different, you have not come to a conclusion, it is only a doubt in you. But there are people who have come to such conclusions, and those are those people who do not have devotion at all, in whom the sentiment of devotion is not at all available. They are called as Pishacha. They are called as Pishachas, demons. Kahahi sunahi asa adhamanar. Adhamanar, they are of the lowest nature people. Garaseje moha Pishach, who are completely overpowered by the demon called as Moha. Pashandi, who are only what you call as they appear to be something, they are something, and they are completely they have diverted themselves from the lotus feet of Hari, and they don't know the difference between truth and untruths. Agya akovid andha abhagi,
अज्ञातो वित अंगदबारी,
kai vishaya mukur man lagi,
काय विषमुन गुकर्ण लाई,
लंपट कपटी कुटिल विशेषी,
लंपट कपटी कुटिल विषेली,
सपने हो संत सभा नहीं देखी.
सबने संत समान देखी।
These are all adjectives for those people. Adjectives for those people who do not relish the charitra of Rama. They are ajnanis. They do not know akovid. That is, they are not kovid. They are not COVID. They are akovid. Akovid means they are not COVID-19. Andha. The word kovidaha in Sanskrit means the one who has seen the extent of all the shastras. In fact, there are examinations, which are conducted in Sanskrit. Here we have what we call as Pravara, then what Pravara, Praveena, and then if you continue like this in the Sahitya, you come to Kovida. The last examination is called as Kovid examination, but it starts with K, not C. K-O-V-I-D. The word Kovid means, is there anything else he has to know? Is there anything he has seen the final extent of whatever has to be known? That's called as Kovida. So, a Kovid is the opposite of, he doesn't know anything. Andha, blind. Abhagi. Abhagi is absolutely misfortune, has completely overpowered him. He doesn't have fortune at all. Kayi Vishaya Mukuru Manalagi. It's like, this moss which has completely gathered upon the mirror of his mind. Moss has gathered. When moss has gathered, naturally the reflective capacity would go. So the wrong will be seen as right, right will be seen as wrong. Lampata, naturally, completely in a wrong path. Kapati is a cheat, deceitful. Kutila, all wrong methods he can adopt. Viseshi, always indulging in different types of wrong acts. Sapne hu sant sabha nahi dekhi. He has never seen the assembly of saints even in his dream. What a state of affairs, you see, like we read about the sun yesterday in the Bhagavad Mahapurana. So totally wickedness personified. Hari Om Tat Sat.